Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix authentication error in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you want to solve this problem, then you will need to follow some steps. First, open the Play Store in your mobile and search Pokemon TCG Pocket. In the Play Store, you will need to see any update is available or not for your Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you see any update is available, then you will see the update icon. Simply click on update here. When you click on update, the Pokemon TCG Pocket will be updated on your mobile. Then you will need to see your problem is fixed or not. If you find your problem is still not fixed, then you will need to go to your mobile settings. Scroll down and go to apps. And in the search bar type Pokemon. In the right corner here in the down you will see the option of force stop. Simply click on force stop and click on OK. Then you will need to go to storage. In the storage here in the down you will see clear cache. Simply click on clear cache. Then here you will need to see your problem is fixed or not. If you find your problem is fixed, then it is good for you. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.